Real quick before we get into this video, guys, I'm showing my appreciation by doing a giveaway. 5 scholarships for my dropshipping course, 0 to 1K. There's tons of features and all that good stuff. So click the link in the top of the description to join the giveaway. You put in your email, you automatically get $75 off my course, and you keep racking up the points. And the top 5 people on the leaderboards at the end of the week are going to be getting my course for free, paid by me. So make sure you hit the link below and enter in order to have a chance to win. And also, if you buy my course now using those discount codes that you win through the leaderboards and you become one of the 5 winners next week, you will be completely refunded. I'll send you back all your money. So don't worry about that. You got those discount codes for a reason. So make sure you use them and get up to $125 off. So now let's get into this video. What is up, guys? Henry with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And as you guys requested, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make an image ad. So from yesterday's video where I talked about whether to use an image or a video, I'm going to be using those same products, but making this a 2-part series where I go over both, how I make a picture ad and how I make a video ad. So this is going to be, you can use it for Instagram or Facebook, depending on whatever you want to use for your targeting. But this is going to be me showing you what I would do for the products that I showed you beforehand. So I'm pretty excited to do this. I know you guys want to see this, so we're going to make it happen because, as you know, creating an ad is probably one of the most important things when it comes to actually making sales and getting that potential customer to actually buy something. Because I feel like for every product that someone tries to sell with dropshipping, there's always going to be a way to sell. There's always going to be a certain audience of people that would actually buy it. It's all about your targeting and who you put it in front of, and also how you captivate their attention. So first comes the audience targeting of who you're putting it in front of, and second comes, how are you captivating their attention? How are you interesting them to click on your ad and actually go onto your website and possibly buy something? So I'm going to be showing you on my phone here how I would do that, how I create relatability with these potential customers, and how it all works out. So let's get here on my phone and I'm going to show you guys, the product and how we're going to make the ad. I mean, I can even do it on my phone if I need to, so that's what I'm going to be doing here. Okay, so on my phone now, and as you can see, this is the Stranger Things necklace that I was talking about. It has these certain charms, that relate to that certain show. I'm sure some of you know of what it is, Stranger Things on Netflix. It's pretty popular, but as you can see here, 320 orders, 3,000 on the wish list, 4.9 stars, some good image reviews, looks good, looks good. I'm not going to go in all to the details of, checking the supply and all that. This is just a random product that I saw. So, it looks like a cool little necklace. I feel like I could really target to some specific people here that like that show. So on Facebook ads, you can really go into detailed targeting with that, but also on Instagram you can make that happen. So let's just do a little bit of research real quick. Let's look up Stranger Things necklace. See what happens, what comes up. Not there. Let's go to images. Not that. Oh, right here. This store, Crazy Fashions For You, is selling the exact same necklace. That's even the same picture from AliExpress for $25.95. So they're smart. They're drop shipping this product, I believe. Let me check. Yep, we ship worldwide. Estimated delivery time 2 to 5 weeks. So they are drop shipping, as you can see. The product was $5.30 or something like that, and they're selling for $25.95. So they have a pretty solid profit margin there. The description isn't the best. It doesn't really, captivate the attention of the potential customer. It's just sort of the details of the product, not necessarily anything that would make them interested. So Crazy Fashions For You, I guess, is this store. It's not my store if you think that. Just some random store. Pretty cool. They're selling that. I don't know if they're selling any or what, but I could do better. So let me scroll down a little bit more, see if anybody else is selling it. Nope. This is similar. Something like this. So just based off of this, searching up Stranger Things necklace, you don't see too many. I mean, here's one. They're selling for 20 Canadian dollars. Here they're selling for $15. So there's a few different people selling it. I don't know if they're selling it from the supplier in China or what's going on there. But we're going to be basing this off of an ad. So we're going to go here to this product, and I'm just going to go ahead and save this picture. Alright, so now we're in this app called Phonto. It's basically a photo app where you can, add text to different pictures and stuff like that. You have to be creative with it. There's a bunch of different options that you can use on this app. It's a free app. I believe they have like extras if you want to pay for it. But for a free app, it's very, very worth it. I use it all the time when creating ads or creating any text posts or anything like that. You can use it for multiple different things. So I have this picture here of the necklace, and I'm going to create a relatable text post to get people to buy it. So let's go ahead here and crop it a little bit. We don't want that logo in there. So here we go. That was easy to get rid of. I forgot something. I forgot. You gotta start with the white background base. So we're gonna go to plain image, and then we're gonna press this white one. We're gonna go color white because they don't use the actual white. Use and save. Now let's go. We have to add in the image that we just put in. Alright, so we're back to this image. We're gonna zoom it in a little bit, you know, get rid of that logo that was right there. You know, just make it zoomed up a little more so people can see what's going on there. Looks good, looks good. So now we have this. You know, most of the time I like to have the white background for the products, and there's ways you can get rid of that. It's just very time consuming, depending on what program you're using. Like, I can just do it on my phone with the little app where I can just go through and mark out all that other space, basically cut it out. But, you know, that's going to take a little bit of time. I don't want to be on here for 10 minutes showing you guys just how to get rid of all that stuff. But it's super simple, or you can either just leave it like this, you know, not a big deal. Still adds a little bit of contrast to the picture, so it's not just all white background. So now we're gonna add some text, and we're gonna use the font Helvetica New Light. This is the one that, you know, makes it really pop as a text post. You know, it relates. So let's just pretend we are posting this on an Instagram influencer that is about Stranger Things or TV shows or something like that. So I'm gonna make it say, I can't believe that they released these, and then 2 exclamation points, heart eyes, and then we're gonna put we're gonna put a little praising emoji. Alright, so now you see that. Alright, so we're gonna center the picture first. We're gonna move it down a little bit. We have this text here. It's not bad. And now we're gonna add another line here, and we're gonna say exclusive Stranger Things necklace dot dot, and then we're gonna add an alert. Alright, and now we're going to center this. You know, maybe we could make these two a little bit bigger. Let's make them 48. Is that too big? Yeah. So we're gonna make that 45. We're gonna center it. We'll make this 45. And that is the basics of a text post. You know, there's a lot of things you can add. You know, it all depends on the product and the picture you're using and how you're promoting it. But a lot of you guys are going to see this, you're going to be like, oh, that won't even make money. You know, that's just too boring. But the thing is, you know, you have to relate with these people on Instagram or Facebook. With Facebook, you know, you have to take a little bit of a different strategy just because they don't like all the text on the images. So you maybe just the product picture and a little outline saying exclusive or something like that. But from an Instagram perspective, you know, you have to relate to these people. So I can't believe that they released these exclusive Stranger Things necklace. And I'm going to make this picture a little bit bigger. And we're going to center it. We're going to move these up again. Alright, so I just got rid of the praying emoji here, and I want to make these symmetrical so it looks a little bit better there. I'm going to make the image a little bit bigger. I'm going to raise these, the text, make them look good. We're going to make it a little bit smaller. We're going to center it, center these. Perfect. Now we're going to move this over so it's at the E. Perfect. I know this may look a little bit weird to you guys, but that's what it's all about, the basics. You know, you have the image there of the product, and you have what it is, exclusive Stranger Things necklace. I can't believe that they release these. You know, you have to go through trial and error when posting ads. You know, exclusive Stranger Things necklace, you can keep that, but maybe you tweak something on the top here if that doesn't work, if that doesn't make you money. And as I said, this would be a little bit cleaner, you know, if you had maybe just a white background and you had a few different shots of it. But online I couldn't find too many different images of a certain product. You would have to contact the supplier and ask them for more pictures, and then you'd be able to use those. So if you ever want more pictures of this product from AliExpress, just message the supplier, say, hey, can I have some more pictures of this certain product? And they will do it. I promise you that. Most of them. Don't come at me if they don't send you the right pictures or whatever. But that is the basics of how I create an image ad for Instagram. For Facebook, like I said, I would do something, you know, take off all this text. I would, you know, get rid of that, and did not mean to do that. I'll get rid of the text like I just did like that, and I would keep it basic. You know, you want the picture to take up most of the space, and then you could add something like a little text like Stranger Things necklace, but with the Stranger Things font. So there's tons of different options here and tons of variables. It's all about trial and error. So that is the basics of how I do it and how you can do it too. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.